In 2010, Spirit pilots did what needed to be done to get a fair contract. It's now 2016. Spirit Airlines is making record profits. The company is growing by leaps and bounds. The pilot group that was once just over 300 pilots is now more than 1,300 pilots strong. And they are standing together and will do
whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
I'm willing to do whatever it takes to get a contract.
Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes.
Whatever it takes, we get it done.
Spirit pilots are here to tell Spirit shareholders that we will not settle for a contract that defines us as low tier. We will not accept pay rates that keep us below the industry standard. And we will stand as one union and speak with one voice, just like we did in 2010, and do whatever it takes to get the contract we deserve.
We are not low-tier pilots. We are alpha.